This is question number 18 from section A from Mathematics exam paper for grade 3, paper number 2. The question states that Emily bought a cake for the party. Jack ate 5/8 of the cake and Ben ate half of the cake less than Jack. What fraction of cake was eaten in total? Well, this is a very classic two-step word problem. The first thing we're going to have to do is to find the amount of cake Ben ate. We know that Jack ate 5/8 cake, and we know that in order to find Ben, we're going to have to subtract that by half because the question says that Ben ate half of the cake less than Jack. So we're going to basically say minus 1/2, which is half. Now, in order to perform a fraction minus a fraction, you're going to have a common denominator. If you multiply 2 by 4, this is going to end up being a value of 8. So whatever you multiply the denominator, you're going to also have to multiply on the numerator. Now to express it into an equation, we're going to say 5/8, which is a direct copy from this equation, or rather this fraction, minus 1 times 4 is 4, 2 times 4 equates to 8. Now since the denominator is common, you can go ahead and 5 minus 4, which is going to give you a value of 1/8. And this is the amount of cake that Ben has eaten. Now to find the total amount of cake eaten by both Ben and Jack, you're going to say total equal to total amount of cake eaten by Jack, which is 5/8, plus the total amount of cake eaten by Ben, which is 1/8, which we have just found out. Now, since the denominator is common between these two fractions, you can simply say 5 plus 1, which is going to give you a value of 6, and you just copy the denominator 8 down. And you can also further simplify 6/8 because we know that 6 can be divided by 2 and 8 can be divided by 2. So 6 divided by 2 would be 3 and 8 divided by 2 would be 4. And this is your answer, and the answer in your multiple choice would be D.